Dear students, how are you everyone? I think you are well and I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Humayun Kabir, Assistant Teacher, English Medium Senior Section, Sector 7. Now, today I will conduct a math class, lecture number 33, exercise 2.1. Before starting the class, I will review lecture number 32. After that, I will give you extra CQ today's lesson, and after that we will solve this question. Okay, let's start our today's class. Lecture number 33, exercise 2.1. Chapter 2. Topic: ratios and percentage. Exercise 2.1. Review. Exercise 2.1, page number 55. At first we will review our lecture number 32. Question number 15. What is the question? The ratio of milk and sugar in fluent tea 7:2. In the fluent tea, the quantity of sugar is 4 kg. What is the quantity of milk? So here given the ratio of milk and sugar and given the quantity of sugar. Now we will find out the quantity of milk. Given, at first we will write given information. Sugar is 4 kg and milk is to sugar equal to 7:2. So milk is 7/2 times of sugar. Okay, again listen. So milk will be 7/2 times of sugar. How we will write? We will write like this way. So we can write sugar equal to 4 multiply 7/2 kg, because look at here, sugar 4 kg. Okay, and here this 4 is here, and this of means word, of means multiplication. So here multiplication. Okay, and this 7/2 is here. So here we can cut 4/2. So cut means divide. So if we divide 4/2, then it will be 2. Now we will multiply 2 and 7. So it will be 14. So 14 kg. Already we have got sugar is 14 kg. Therefore sugar is 14 kg. Okay. Learning objects. At the end of this lecture, students will be able to explain what inverse ratio is, find out the separate quantity if there are given total amount and their ratio, find out the unknown quantity by solving equation. Now today's lesson, exercise 2.1, extra creative question. Here I will give you extra creative question at first. After that gradually we will solve number A, B and C. So in an ornament of 156 gram, the ratio of gold and silver is 7:6. A number question, what is called inverse ratio? Number B, find the quantity of gold and silver in the ornament. That means here we have to find out the separately gold and silver's quantity. Number C, how much silver is to be mixed to make the ratio 6:7? Now our first question, what is called inverse ratio? Here at first I will give you definition, after that I will make you understand and I will give you example. Okay, so answer here, the ratio formed by interchanging the antecedent and subsequent of a simple ratio is called inverse ratio. Here we know any ratio is simple ratio. Okay, so here if we interchange these ratios antecedent and subsequent, then we will get inverse ratio. Okay, so here example 5:13 is the inverse ratio of 13:5. That means here our main ratio is 13:5 and here antecedent 13 and subsequent 5. So if we interchange antecedent and subsequent, then we will get what? 5:13. So here these ratios 13:5, these ratios inverse ratio will be 5:13. Like this way we can give another example. Here 7:12 is the inverse ratio of 12:7. Why? Here main ratio is 12:7. So these ratios antecedent is 12 and subsequent is 7. So if we interchange 7 and 12, then we will get here 7:12. So here 7:12 will be the inverse ratio of 12:7. Now I will give you one simple ratio and you will try to say what will be the inverse ratio of this ratio. Okay, so are you ready? 5:8. Okay, so here antecedent is 5 and subsequent is 8. Now everyone tell me what will be the inverse ratio of this ratio. Everyone try to say. If we interchange, then we will get definitely 8:5. So here 8:5 will be the inverse ratio of 5:8. Now our next question, find the quantity of gold and silver in the ornament. Here we will find out the separate quantity of gold and silver. Okay, so what was our ratio? Our ratio was 7:6. Okay, so 7:6, here antecedent 7 and subsequent 6. So at first we will add the ratios antecedent and subsequent. The sum of the antecedent and subsequent equal to 7 plus 6. So if we add 7 plus 6, it will be 13. Now what will be the gold's quantity? Here gold's quantity will be 7 out of 13 times of whole amount. I am telling again, 7 out of 13 times of whole amount. So how we will write? Look at the screen. We will write like this way. The quantity of gold 7 out of 13 times of 156 gram. Here 156 gram our whole amount, total amount. That's why we will write like this way. Here we know of means what? of means multiplication. So we can write like this way here 7 by 13 multiply 156. That means here what will we do? Here we have to divide 156 by 13. Okay, and after that we will multiply with 7. This one. Here we will divide 156 by 13. Okay, now we will divide it. So 13 156. Now if we divide here, look at here, 13 is what? Divisor and 156 dividend. So here divisor 2 digit. So we will take 2 digit from dividend from left side. So it will be what? It will be 15. So 15, how many times can we take 13 in 15? Definitely one time. So if we take one time, then it will be 13 ones are 13. Now we will subtract. So if we subtract 3 from 5, then it will be 2 and write down 6. Okay, so it will be 26. Now how many times can we take 13 in 26? Definitely 2 times. So if we take 2 times, then it will be 26. If we subtract, then it will be 0. There is no remainder. That means if we divide 156 by 13, then our answer will be 12. Okay, so 12. Now we will multiply 7 and 12. So if we multiply 7 and 12, then it will be 84 gram. So already we have got the quantity of gold 84 gram. Like this way we will find out the quantity of silver. So here the quantity of silver will be 6 out of 13 times of whole amount. So how we will write? We will write like this way. Look at the skin. Here 6 out of 13 times of whole amount. Here whole amount is 156 gram. So we know of means multiplication. So we can write like this way. Here 6 divided by 13 multiply 156. Now what will you do? Now here we will divide 156 by 13. So if we divide 156 by 13, then it will be 12. So now here what will we do? Here we will multiply 6 and 12. So if we multiply 6 and 12, then it will be 72 gram. So already we have got separately gold and silver's quantity. So what? Here our answer, gold 84 gram and silver 72 gram. Now I am going to next question. How much silver is to be mixed to make the ratio 6:7? Here if we want to make the ratio 6:7, then how much silver need to be mixed we have to find out. This is the unknown quantity. Now how we will find out? Here look at here, solution. At first we will write the got information. So from B we have got what? The separate quantity gold and silver. The quantity of gold equal to 84 gram. The quantity of silver equal to 72 gram. Now let x gram silver is to be mixed to make the ratio of gold and silver equal to 6:7. That means here if we mixed x gram silver, this unknown quantity silver, then here our ratio will be 6:7. We will let this unknown quantity is x. Okay, so here now we will find out the value of this unknown quantity. How we will find out? At first we will make a equation. After that, by solving this equation, we will find out the value of the x. So look at here. According to the question, look at here. Here our gold's quantity is what? Gold's quantity here 84 gram, and silver, how much? Silver 72 gram, and we want to mix x gram. So here silver will be 72 plus x, and look at here. Here gold quantity is to silver quantity equal to gold's quantity and silver's quantity. Okay, so like this way we can make the equation. Now, or here 84 divided by 72 plus x equal to 6 by 7. How we can write this one? Here again look at this equation. Here this is the ratio. We can write ratio in fraction. When we write ratio in fraction, at that time antecedent will be numerator and subsequent will be denominator. So left side's antecedent is 84 and subsequent is 72 plus x, and right side antecedent is 6 and subsequent is 7. So we can write in this way. Here numerator 84 divided by 72 plus x equal to 6 by 7. Okay, now we will solve this equation. So here what will we do? Here we will do cross multiplication. One thing, when we do cross multiplication, at that time left side's numerator and right side's denominator will be multiplied, and left side's denominator and right side's numerator will be multiplied. I am telling again, here left side's numerator and right side's denominator will be multiplied, and left side's denominator and right side's numerator will be multiplied. Okay, now look at here. Here left side's numerator 84 and right side's denominator 7, and left side's 72 plus x denominator and right side's numerator 6. So we will multiply 6 and 72 plus x and 84 and 7. I think it is very clear to you. Or 6 multiply 72 plus x equal to 84 multiply 7. Now in this stage, here we will multiply 72 and 6 and x and 6. Here 6 and 72 and 6 and x. Okay. Now here 84 multiply 7. At first we will see here, if we multiply 84 and 7, it will be what? (84) multiply 7. So here if we multiply, so 7 4 times what? 7 4 times 28. So 8 carried number 2, and if we multiply 8 and 7, then it will be 56 and carried number 2, so 58. So if we multiply 84 and 7, then we will get 588. So at first we will multiply here 7 and at first we will multiply 72 and 6. So if we multiply 72 and 6, then it will be what? 432, and 6 and x, then it will be 6x. Okay, so this equal here, this equal, and we know 84 and 7 multiply, then it will be 588. Okay, now it is a equation. Okay, so when you solve equation, at that time you have to remember this. If you want to move some quantity left side to right side or right side to left side, at that time sign will be changed. That means plus sign will be minus, minus will be plus, multiplication will be division, and division will be multiplication. Now look at here, here we need only this, here we need only this x's value. So this 6x, here we will write left side, and here 432, this one we need to move left side to right side. Okay, so here 432, its sign is what? Its sign is plus. At the beginning plus, no need to write. So if we move this one left side to right side, then its sign will be minus. Okay, so 6x equal to 588, and this 432, here when you move the left side to right side, at that time sign change, here minus. Okay, I think it is very clear to you. Now if we subtract 432 from 588, then it will be what? It will be 156. Okay, now here one things, we need this x's value, but this 6 we need to move left side to right side. So if we move left side to right side, then its sign will be changed. Before that, we need to know what is the relation between x and 6. Here the relation between x and 6 is multiplication. Okay, so when we move this 6 this left side to right side, then it will be division. Okay, so x is here, and when we move this 6 here, it will be division. Now what will we do? We will divide 156 by 6. Okay, now look at here, look at the screen, 6 divided by 156. So here divisor 6 and dividend 156. Okay, so here one digit we will take from here 2 digit. So if we take 2 digit, it will be 15. Okay, so how many times can we take 6 in 15? Definitely 2 times. If we take 2 times, so it will be 12. Okay, now subtract it here. If we subtract 2 from 5, then it will be 3, and write down this 6 is here, so it will be 36. Now how many times can we take here? We can take 6 times. So if we take 6 times, then it will be 36. If we subtract, then it will be 0. There is no remainder. That means already we have got, if we divide 156 by 6, then it will be 26. So x equal to 26. That means already we have got the value of x, that means unknown quantity. Okay, so I think it is very clear to you. So here, therefore 26 gram silver is to be mixed. That means if we mix 26 gram silver, then its ratio will be 6:7. Okay, now OSW number 33, exercise 2.1, extra creative question. In an ornament of 156 gram, the ratio of gold and silver is 7:3. 6. First question, what is called inverse ratio? Second question, find the quantity of gold and silver in the ornament. Third question, how much silver is to be mixed to make the ratio 6:7? Already we have done this question and you will do in your HW copy. After that you will submit on time. Our today's class up to this. Okay, thank you everyone. See you next class.